Hello viewers, welcome to Ndubisi Online Math and Physics. My name is Ellen Ndubisi Emmanuel. In this video, we are going to continue from where we stopped, units and measurements. So in our last video, we talked about fundamental quantities, we talked about fundamental units. So today, we are going to go to the next one. We are going to go to the next one, derived quantities and their units. So before I proceed, what are derived quantities? What do you mean by derived quantities? When we talk about derived quantities, these are quantities that depends on fundamental quantities. So derived quantities are quantities that depends on fundamental quantities. While derived units are units that depend on the fundamental units. Now, I'm going to show us a chart that contains derived quantities. Okay, derived quantities. Yes, that contain formula. That contain the formula. Because without the formula, we can't access it. And also units. So, and also units. Now, we are going to look at this chart. It will help us to understand this topic very well. We are going to look at it. Now, number one, when we talk about derived units, I don't want to make mention of, let me just mention them. Area is length times breadth, because area is a derived quantity. So the reason why it's derived, because you can see length here, right? Length is a fundamental quantity, and length is found in area. So even length and breadth, they are also in meter. So this is a meter times meter, because length is measured in meter, breadth is measured in meter. Meter times what? Meter. So you have meter squared. That's the unit of area. So number two, we have volume. We have L times V times H. We have meter times meter times meter. So when you, because this is meter in meter in meter, this is the length, the breadth, and the height. They are in meters. So the unit of volume is what? Meter cube. Now, number three, we talk about density. Density is mass over volume. So the reason why I'm writing this formula is because to help us to know their units. Because if you don't know the formula, through the formula in physics, we note units of a particular quantities by their formula. So mass over volume. Don't forget that mass is in what? In kilogram, right? And volume is what? Meter cube. So you can say the unit is kilogram per meter cube, or kilogram per meter cube, like this. So it's accepted. So number four, we talk about speed. Speed is what? Distance over time. So distance over time. Don't forget that distance is in meter, right? Meter over time is in what? Seconds. So you say meter per seconds or meter per seconds. So both of them is good to go. Now, number five, we talk about velocity. So velocity is displacement. Velocity is what? Displacement over time. You have to know this formula, very important. So velocity is displacement over time. So don't forget that displacement is always in meter. So the derived unit of displacement is in meter over second, which is time. Then you can also have meter per seconds or something like this is accepted. So we are going to stop there. In our next video, we talk about acceleration, we talk about force, we talk about other derived quantities. So please do it to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Subscribe because in the next video we are going to treat continuation of this. Thank you. God bless you.